friends, my name is Sourabh and welcome to RSK-Code tutorial. In this video, we will learn about basics of assertion in JUnit 4. In testing, we need to use assertion to check if our test is passing or failing. So, what is assertion? Assertions are utility method to support assert conditions in our test cases. These methods are static method present in assert class in JUnit 4 and assertion class in JUnit 5. In assert class, we have many methods assert array equals, false, not null, not same, null, same, that, and assert true. Let us now see some code example of assertion. I have created a folder assert example. In this, I have created many classes to understand these assertion methods. Let us now first understand about assert equal example. Here I have created two methods, test methods, in which I have added these methods assert dot assert equals. So in assert equal method, we need to provide two input parameters. First one is expected and second one is actual. So expected input or expected data is the data which we expect should be written by our functions. And second one is actual data. Actual data is the data which returns by our functions. We can understand here that here we are giving string data in this set equal method. First one is expected data, second one is actual data. Both data is same. We have provided integer 123 123. We have provided double. We have provided long. In this second one, we can see there is a third parameter also, third input parameter, which is data should be matched. It is a string message. In this expected and actual also have some message also. For example, if we want to test our assertions and we want our own message provided by this asset equal method, so for this we provide this message input parameter. So let us try and run this. So here we can see that this method has been run and it is passing now. Let us try to change this data. I am changing the actual data. For now, I am passing empty data. We can see JUnit is giving us some message that there is a comparison failure. Expected was test data and actual is empty. Let us give us null input. Now try. So it is again giving me assertion error now. It is saying that expected is test data and actual is null. Let's do this same with this message one. I'm expecting null and actual is test data. So earlier we have seen that there were assertion error and there was no message from assert function. But now I have provided a custom message, so that message is printing now. So this is how we use act assert equal method. I think some of you have some questions like why can't we use equals method for comparing our inputs and why we are using these assert methods given by JUnit, and why can't we use equal method in here? So the reason is whenever we use equals method, whenever we debug our test cases, we do not get proper information why that test case is failing. But in case of these assertions method, we can see that while running our test case, that it is giving me some information like what was the expected data and what is actual data. In this way we get some information that what should be the test case, and where should I debug it, why this test is failing. In those cases we get enough information in this assertion method, and that information we do not get by equals method. So that is why in JUnit test cases we use these methods assert method given by JUnit, and we do not use equals method for comparing our data. After this assert equal, let us know more about other methods like assert array equal. So in assert array equal method, we do not provide a single object. Instead, we provide arrays of string, arrays of integer, arrays of double. We also can provide a single object by using singleton list. So this is how we use assert array equals. In this, we also have this custom message option. So we can use this also. So let us run assert array equal parameter function. So it is passing, and if I change some data here, example, I'm making it new test 1, and here it is new test 2. Now it is failing and giving me information like arrays first default at element first. So this my first element is different, that's why it is giving me this information. Let's go to our next example. We can also assert some of our boolean data, boolean code. So for boolean we use assert true. It also has this custom message option. We have assert false. So let us run all these test cases. So all are passing. Let's change this condition. 2 is greater than 0. 2 is equal to 0. Let us see what will be the result. Unexpected type. Oh, I have given assignment not equals. Let's try again. Yeah. So it is saying me that condition should be true. That was my custom message for this test case. Let us understand more example. We can assert objects also. We have assert null function which checks that if object is null. We have this custom message option in this also. We have assert not null. Sometimes we can expect that our object is null or not. So we can use assert not null. We have custom message option in this also. We have assert same and assert not same. This assert same and assert not same compare reference of two objects. So we have string 1 abc and string 2 abc. So it should pass now. It is containing same reference due to string pool. So that's why both string objects are same. I have created two objects, car and bike, and I'm expecting that car and bike should not be same. So it is also passing that car and bike are not same. We have more examples of assertion. We have functions like assert.fail. Assert.fail can be used where we want to fail our test case by our own. So in this, I have created a test case that test fail assertion with some message. So I have called a function message should throw exception. So this is my function. It may have some code. I'm expecting that it should throw exception, and it should come in catch block. Let's try to run this. So it is failing in the condition where it is saying me that exception must be thrown. It is failing at line number 23, and I was expecting some exception. It is not giving me exception. So let us go to our code and uncomment this line, and let's check it again. Now I'm getting the correct message that exception raised, and this 23 line is avoided here. My next example is assert that. Assert that function needs some more extra matcher functions. So this for this matcher function, I have added one library in my pom.xml, org.hemcrest. Artifact ID is hemcrest all, and version number is 1.3. So these this Hemcrest library provide me some extra functions to check my test data. So in this assert that we can see we have our actual, and we have another parameter matcher. So for this matcher, I have given this function has item. So we in this has item, we have many functions like is a anything, has items equal to any instance of. So this assert that is the newest addition in JUnit 4, and it helps in testing data more dynamically. So let's test this also. In my test case, I have written that assert that this list of 1, 2, 3 has item 1. So it is passing because I have this item 1. Let's try with some another element. I am passing 4, and now I am checking that if this list has this item 4 or not. So it is now failing, and it is giving me error that collection containing 4 but was 1, 2 and 3. Ex- Expected is not equal to actual. So friends, we understand about assertions in JUnit 4. Assertions mostly used to check if our test cases are passing or failing. Test cases are mostly empty without any assert method. In next part, we will see how we can write these test cases in JUnit 4, and whatever we have learned until now, we will use all those things in writing our test cases in JUnit 4. And after that, we will go to JUnit 5, and we will see some basics of JUnit 5 and how we can write our test cases, same test cases in JUnit 5 also. Thank you for watching this video, friends. I have added the links in the description below. If you like this topic, please subscribe and share with your friends. For any question, you can post it in the comment section below. Thank you.